Hello and welcome. My name is David Isamoje. I'm here with you with another t-shirt design. Not just t-shirt design, so you don't click off. I create designs generally for print on demand. We're talking Redbubble site, Public Teespring. But why I say t-shirt, because t-shirt will obviously most time be your best seller. So that's why I say t-shirt design, but it's not only for t-shirt, for masks, bags, mugs, phone cases, and so much more. If you don't know me, or if you just see me for the first time, make sure you go through my channel so that you can watch a lot for yourself. You can go through my channel and you'll be seeing a lot of design videos you can watch. I've been doing this since the turn of the year, so you can just go and watch as much as you want. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to go straight into this. It's going to be a super short, super easy, super sweet design. I'm going to create a new design. Create custom dimension, standard 4500 by 5400. Am I talking too far? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if I'm talking too fast for you guys to understand. Yeah, I like to be funny. I like to carry you guys along. Let me know in the comments if I'm talking too fast. I can reduce that. I'll try to reduce that, but man, I love the energy. I love to keep the energy up when I'm designing. So for this, I'm just going to go to element, do USA, and just find something. Okay, let's click on this. Let's click on this. Okay, so now we have that. I'm just going to try and find something. Okay, I think I won't use this now. Let me use this instead. You make it bigger. So to make it bigger, you just have to move your cursor to this edge, press down your left mouse click button and just drag outward. And now we just bring in this eagle, just like that. That's the way I want my design to be. As you can see, this is a simple, easy design. Simple, not complicated. Not complicated, super easy. You can see I'm done with my design already. Eagles, you guys love the eagle, you guys love the Statue of Liberty, so those two things together. But there's an issue. There's a white background. You can't get rid of the white background if you're using the free version of Canva Pro. If you're using the free version of Canva Pro, you can't get rid of the white background. But I got you covered. You could check the first link in the description to get Canva Pro. Sign up with that link. Make sure you sign up with that link and you get Canva Pro. You can come back to create your design and get rid of the white backgrounds, because you need your designs without the white background, because different people, different color taste. So don't expect everybody to buy a white t-shirt from you. People might want a blue, black, yellow, whatever the color may be. Just make sure you have different colors. So make sure when you click on download and you've signed up with my link, the first link in the description, you have this option for yourself. So you click on it and you click on download, so that you can download it without the white background. And once you're done downloading with white background, make sure you always cross-check your designs. So make sure your designs are there and ready for you. So as you can see, this is mine. And just see how cool looking it is. Imagine this on a t-shirt, imagine it on your phone case, imagine this on your Macs. It's going to stand out great for you. So with that said, thanks for watching. To your right, you see my playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.